Welcome to samaditech. Today, we're exploring a range of essential and innovative tools designed to enhance your craftsmanship. Get ready to uncover the must-have gadgets from Dalin Power Tools. A compact and powerful grinder is a must-have for any craftsman. Equipped with a 1-amp motor delivering 12,000 RPM, this corded detail sander offers smooth and precise surface finishing. Its ergonomic design with a soft upper grip ensures comfort and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. A built-in counterweight minimizes vibrations for enhanced working comfort. It also features a microfiltration system and a dust extraction port compatible with vacuum cleaners, keeping your workspace clean. The Velcro fastener allows for quick, hassle-free abrasive paper changes, boosting efficiency. An extension cord is a flexible electric device designed to extend the attain of electricity from a wall outlet to multiple appliances or equipment. Featuring a bendy cable with a plug on one cease and one or extra outlets on the opposite, it allows for handy get entry to power in areas with restrained sockets. Available in varying lengths and energy scores, it is crucial for each indoor and outdoor packages. Many extension cords are geared up with safety functions like surge safety and grounding to ensure dependable and steady usage. Ideal for homes, workplaces, and business settings. The Makita Band Screwdriver is a powerful, battery-operated tool designed to streamline your paintings, particularly if you often need to drive a couple of screws in quick succession. Powered through an 18-volt battery, this screwdriver delivers fantastic speeds of as much as 4,000 RPM, making it best for high-performance tasks. It incorporates screws ranging from 1 inch to 2 1/8 inches in duration. One of its standout functions is the included screw manual, which prevents the screw tape from tangling or folding during garage. Built with a durable aluminum AutoFeed mechanism that is protected from dust, it guarantees long-lasting performance with smooth operation. Despite its electricity and capabilities, the device is compact and cushy to handle, making it clean to use even in tough-to-reach areas. This makes it an amazing choice for each experts and DIY lovers searching out reliability and convenience. A concrete deep vibrator is crucial for compacting concrete mixtures and eliminating air pockets formed during pouring. Without proper vibration, concrete can lose strength and integrity. This tool comes equipped with an 800-watt electric motor and runs on 220-volt power. It operates at 4,500 RPM, ensuring efficient compaction. The vibrator features a 35mm diameter and a 1.2-meter length, making it ideal for both professional construction sites and home projects, delivering reliable performance in various settings. Let's discuss the multi-bit screwdriver from Klein Tools. This compact yet versatile tool is a must-have for various tasks, especially when working with HVAC systems. It includes 3 types of drivers: Phillips, flathead, and a bit for Schrader valves. The double-sided design provides both short and extended rods, allowing you to reach tight spaces without losing control or precision. A swivel cap offers added stability while working, and the tips are made of precisely machined, hardened steel for durability and secure fastening. The anodized aluminum body ensures corrosion resistance, promising long-lasting use. The Black & Decker chainsaw gives a completely unique design with clamping jaws that function like outsized scissors, making it smooth to grab and reduce branches in one simple motion. No greater juggling between conserving the department with one hand and sawing with the opposite. Powered by means of a 4.5-amp motor, this chainsaw can without problems deal with thick branches up to 10 centimeters in diameter, making it perfect for duties that are too disturbing for trendy pruners but not worth hauling out a complete-sized chainsaw. A integrated metal protect covers the jaws, making sure safe operation without risking hand harm. This chainsaw is mains-powered, and its compact, lightweight layout permits you to address even tough-to-attain areas within the lawn without difficulty. A versatile multi-tool designed to tackle a range of electrical tasks efficiently. This compact tool integrates 6 essential functions, including cutting, wire stripping, crimping, and fastener measuring. It accommodates a variety of wire gauges from 8 to 22 AWG for solid wires and 10 to 26 AWG for stranded wires, ensuring flexibility for different applications. The precision-built wire cutters enable clean and accurate stripping for wires of all sizes. Crafted from high-quality materials, the tool is built to withstand tough conditions, while its ergonomic plastic handles provide a comfortable and secure grip during extended use. The RIDGID Model 223S manual pipe reamer is an essential tool for quickly reaming copper and stainless steel pipes, sized between 1/8 to 1 1/4 in diameter. Perfect for plumbing, heating, and air conditioning work, this reamer features a dual taper design with a 45-degree inner cone for smooth interior reaming and an outer section for chamfering and deburring pipe exteriors. Its knurled ergonomic handles provide a secure grip, ensuring control even during tough jobs. Additionally, the tool includes an integrated scale with inch and millimeter measurements for precision. Built from hardened steel, the RIDGID Reamer is designed for durability and heavy-duty use. The Microjig BLADECLEAN system is designed to keep your blades and cutters in optimal condition. It simplifies the cleaning process, allowing you to clean an entire saw blade in a single pass. The system features a magnetic handle that securely attaches to the blade, while industrial-grade aluminum oxide pads provide a thorough clean across the surface. Additionally, it includes a cutter holder capable of cleaning up to 5 cutters at once, accommodating shank sizes of 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and 12 millimeters. This system is perfect for woodworkers who want to maintain their tools in excellent working order. A picture hanging kit offers a versatile solution for both sawtooth and wire frames. Its key feature is the elimination of the need for measuring, as it automatically detects the exact spots for nail holes. With a magnetic key system, it securely holds in place until you're ready to mark the holes, and these keys work with various fasteners for precise alignment. The detachable built-in level ensures your pictures hang perfectly straight every time. The kit includes 85 pieces, such as nails and hooks, with extra storage space for additional tools, making it a comprehensive and convenient option. The IMUM Live Mini Chainsaw delivers remarkable cutting power, slicing through a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds thanks to its advanced brushless motor, which achieves a cutting speed of 26.2 feet per second. It features an automatic chain lubrication system, so you don't have to pause for manual oiling, and the manufacturer has resolved previous oil leakage issues. Equipped with 2 21-volt batteries, each providing 50 to 60 minutes of runtime, you can work continuously by swapping batteries. These batteries are also compatible with Makita tools. For safety, the chainsaw includes a rotating shield, a locking button, and an ergonomic handle, only activating when both the safety button and switch are pressed, making it beginner-friendly. The Milwaukee AMS 12-stick transfer pump is designed for ultimate convenience, featuring a 36-inch submersible aluminum cylinder to access deep water with ease. Its innovative HydroPass filtration system with a 360-degree filter maximizes water flow even in debris-filled environments. Capable of pumping up to 9 gallons per minute, it connects seamlessly with standard garden hoses for precise water direction. Completely cordless and powered by the M12 platform, it offers freedom from wires, and its one-handed operation allows you to control water flow effortlessly while keeping the other hand free. The drawer installation guide is ideal for both framed and frameless cabinets, offering special stops and tabs for precise alignment, ensuring perfect accuracy every time. A standout feature is its wide clamping area, which keeps it securely in place while you work. Its unique design allows for easy flipping, face it inward for cabinet rail installation, then flip it outward for attaching the drawer. With a built-in level, you can quickly check for uneven cabinets to avoid future problems. Additionally, its 8 rubber pads prevent slipping and protect cabinet surfaces from scratches, making drawer installation smoother and more professional. The Dalin Power Tool Universal Set is your all-in-one solution, capable of replacing up to 12 different tools. It's like a true transformer. Just switch the attachments and you're ready for any task. Ideal for household projects or repairs, from assembling furniture to quick fixes. This versatile set has you covered. With 15 power levels for precise control, it even includes a vacuum cleaner and LED light. Powered by an 18-volt battery for dependable performance, it also features a pump attachment for inflating tires or sports gear. Certified, patented, and built with safety in mind.